Have you ever synced an InterestPrint product to your Shopify store only to see it show up as sold out or unavailable? In this video, we'll show you how to fix it step by step. Step 1. Make sure your product location is set to the InterestPrint Print On Demand app. Step 2. Check the inventory. By default, it's set to 500, but you can adjust this number if needed. Make sure the inventory is not 0. Step 3. If the product still shows as unavailable, check your store settings. Go to Shopify, Settings, Shipping and Delivery. If you haven't added a shipping rate, the product will remain unavailable. Click General Shipping Rates. Then check your fulfillment locations. Add InterestPrint as a fulfillment location. And make sure to add a shipping rate for it. Once all of this is set up, go back to your store. Your product should now be available. If you've done all these steps and still have an issue, don't hesitate to contact us at support@interestprint.com. We'll be happy to help.